It's a Friday and I have someone picking up a wedding cake today. One tier for a very small wedding, and they're traveling, so she's gonna take it with her tomorrow because the wedding's tomorrow. So they're like traveling tonight. She was just going to drop off flowers for the cake today. The cake is done. The bride wants it to look like a birch tree stump, which I've done many times, so I have it in the fridge. But apparently there's a little snag and the bride is a little frazzled. Her flowers arrived and it's looking too traditional for her. Also, I guess her fiance chose like a red tie to wear. She said there aren't any bridesmaids, so there aren't any like color schemes. He chose a red tie to wear with like the suit or whatever, and red's not her most favorite color, but she wanted to tie it together, so she wanted to get red in her bouquet, and now her bouquet is like lots of greenery with red roses, when apparently she really wanted more like a wildflower feel. So her mom dropped off like different bunches of flowers she got at like grocery stores and is like, what can we do to make things look wildflower like? So we're on a new mission. I think kind of like she wanted fresh flowers on the cake, but she didn't know how. She just told me her daughter said she wants it to look like it doesn't necessarily all go together, but it happened. Like it's just natural. You stumbled upon this like rustic looking, rustic stump with wildflowers. So we're gonna see what we can do. Let me show you what we're working with. Okay, so she brought me a bunch of these. I have these in like pink, and she brought them in white as well. She brought me a pack of greenery, but said that her daughter does not like these like palm looking ones. So we'll probably use like the shinier leaf one. And she brought me this. Now I said we might throw in a rose or two, just to tie it all together, but I don't want to put a lot. Now, I had this bouquet because I was going to put the flowers on my table because I do fresh flowers. And I was like, we can use stuff from this. She loved the berries, so we're going to incorporate that. She said she thinks she would love like this flower as well. So we're going to take that. And then any of the flowers that are fresh and nice that I have. Here, let me show you. This bouquet was given to me for my second store anniversary, okay? But I think I'm gonna take anything that looks good or I can make look good and wildflowery out of this. I don't know, there may not be anything. I could take a couple daisies, maybe a couple of, a little bit of this like marigold filler. Yeah, she's starting to wilt. But then I have that same flower in a different color. Ooh, this looks nice. I could take this out. We'll use that. Then anything on the tables that I think I can use, I'm gonna steal from everything I have. To me, it sounds like because of this, like snafu with the flowers. And this woman apparently used to arrange flowers. I think she's feeling a little frazzled and kind of like she's just like settling for like whatever she can make work. We're gonna do more to make it work than she thinks. Now, I don't have access to wildflowers. It's also not really wildflower season yet, beginning of April. But I'm gonna look at some new designs. We're gonna make this stunning for her. See if I can use some of this fern. Anything that looks live or I can bring back to life in the next hour, we're gonna do. So let's make some flower bundles. Okay, so we've got some of that. These daisies are perfection, and some of that fern that looks really good. So stole those out of my bouquet, because that's what you do. Every bride, no matter how big or small the wedding, it's important. And I really want her to have that wildflower element. Any of the extra flowers, she's taking out the ones that she brought in. She obviously gets all those back to use at the tables and stuff. And I'm gonna give her the rest of my bouquet that I had here. So anything that they can use, they can have. We're gonna make a bride happy. The true question is, do I trust me? I do, but I think doing flowers on the top, like these wildflowers have sprung out of this stump, is gonna look really cool. So I'm gonna play around with it and kind of figure it out. Okay, so this is the center of the cake. On stuff like this, like I'm gonna go for, instead of like laying them on top, well, we're gonna play around with it a little. I'm gonna like lay some of them and maybe do like a fan with some in the center. I may honestly stick them all straight down in the cake, and we're gonna see what looks best. But before I do anything final, I like to like place things and kind of play around with it before anything is in the cake, even though we're protected still. Okay, here's my attempt at the layout. Now don't worry about this. You're not gonna see those because I have a big bunch of flowers that will go in the center. But what kind of wildflowery? Like I said, this will like go straight up and down and cover a bunch of that, and we'll just like fill in the holes a little. I have more florals and stuff that I haven't used. I just repacked them for her, but I can grab anything I need out of there to fill in to make it look full. But it looks weird when you look at it from the top, but like if you like walked up on that when you have the one in the center, like I think it's kind of pretty. All right, we're gonna work on some of this here. This is a process. Here it is. It's not super wildflower, right? We don't have any wildflowers. And the internet might just rip me to shreds over this, but I think it's beautiful. I'm not a florist, okay? Tried to fill in some holes, tried to make it look, you know, I think it's a beautiful cake. We'll see what the bride's mom says when she picks it up. Oh, this makes me anxious. I was given free rein. The bride kind of changed her mind and wasn't happy with the florals for the wedding part. So there's a lot riding on getting this cake to not save things, but give it a little punch up. The mother of the bride just picked up the cake. She absolutely loved it. She was like, oh, she's gonna love this. It's so beautiful and happy. Woo, we did it. Sometimes a little extra effort and a little extra time makes a big difference. And I know on a day where there's so much going on and we put so much importance in it and it's the beginning of a new life with someone, that's a really good time to put in that extra effort. So I'm so glad she loved it. It's Sunday and I wanted to update you. She sent me a message last night after the wedding and said everyone loved it. I'm gonna put the screenshot of the message here, but so we did good. That's a win.